Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fulan Nabila Sabiah. I am from class E. In this video, I will explain about the character, the plot, and the lessons that can be taken from film Ayat-Ayat Cinta. The characters are so many. There are the main characters and the supporting characters. The main characters were Fahri bin Abdullah Siddiq, and the supporting characters are Aisyah Greymaz, Maria Kirgis, Nora Bahadur, and Nurul Azkia binti Ja'far Abdul Razak. And the plot from this film tells about story of love with various challenges in facing the ups and downs of life problems with Islamic activities. Fahri bin Abdullah is an Indonesian student who is trying to achieve his master's degree at Al-Azhar University. Trouble with the heat and dust of Egypt, wrestle with a variety of targets and simplicity of life, survive becoming a translator of religious books. All of Fahri's goals are followed with enthusiasm except for one thing, named marriage. Fahri is obedient man who is so straight, even until he does not know the courtship before marriage. He is less articulative when dealing with creatures that name woman. There have been few women who have not been far away from her during this time, as such as his grandmother, mother, and his sisters. Moving to Egypt changed that. Maria Kirgis, one flat neighbor who is Coptic Christians but admires Quran and admires Fahri as well. Admiration that turned into love of affection. Love Mary just poured out in her diary alone. Then there is also Nurul, a daughter of the famous Kiai who also dragged his knowledge in Al-Azhar. Actually, Fahri put her heart in this sweet girl. Unfortunately, his low self-esteem, which is only a descendant of farmers, makes him hide his feelings. He was hesitant And after that, there was Nora, also a neighbor who was always tortured by his own father. Bahri empathized fully with Nora and wanted to help her. Just empathy, not more, but Nora in her heart was more and more hopeful. And later, this becomes a conflict when Nora accused Bahri of raping her. And finally came Asia, the beautiful eyes and that bewitched Fahri. As a matter, Aisha falls in love with Fahri because of his courage, and Fahri could not lie to his heart that he had fallen in love with Aisha. And the last is the lesson that can be taken from the film named Ayat-Ayat Cinta, including one is tolerance and respect for others. The second is humble and generous. The third is it teach the attitude of a Muslim towards the opposite sex. And the fourth, love one another for God. And the last one, the fifth, sincerity in the face of life challenge. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.